Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to integrate PayUMoney payment gateway with PHP. Here you can see I have created a HTML form on localhost and now let's start integration. Go to Google and search for PHP PayUMoney payment gateway PHP integration. You can open this top link and can learn the steps from here. Just download this kit. Extract this folder. In this folder you can see contain an image folder and index.php and response.php. Let's copy the whole folder to see what it contains. Copy the folder under htdocs folder. You can see it contains the field merchant key, merchant salt. This merchant key and salt you can get from the PayUMoney. This is very much required to make the PayUMoney working. And this is transaction order. It is something ID or unique ID for the your order and amount, the total amount of your cart or price of the product, anything. This is the product info and first name, email ID, mobile and hash. All these fields are required to make the payment working. And now we are not going to use make the this form working. We have our own form HTML. I'm going to make this form working so you can learn how we use this code, how we use this form code to make this to make our form working. Let's open this index.php. First of all, I'm going to complete the form, and so I'm going to copy the form ID. You can change it, the form ID. You can change the form ID and then you can make changes in the script as well. but I'm not going to make any change in script, so I'm using the same form ID. And copy this form fields in our form. And next is merchant key. Merchant salt. Transaction ID. This is amount field, and I have already filled price, so I'm just going to change its name. Here I have price, so I'm going to change its name and ID. And next is product info. It contains the name of the product or small description about the order. Name will remain same. And first name, we have the first name field there, so I'm going to just copy its name, and we have ID with the F name, and just replace the name with the F name. Then email, we have the email field, so name is the same here. And next is mobile, and we have already phone number, so I'm going to just change its name from phone to mobile. Name and ID. Next is copy the hash field. Hash, let's make it hidden for now. Also merchant key and sort key is also make it hidden. Then we have to call this function on form submit. Now copy all the scripts added in this file and add it on our file under the form. Now copy the PHP code and paste in our file. Since our form is working with the jQuery, so make sure you have added the jQuery link, and we have to add the script, PayUMoney script, to make the form working. And this script is the Sandbox Mode script. Sandbox is a testing purpose mode in which we can make the virtual payments. You don't need real money in your PayUMoney account to test the payment. And below you can see the production and live mode. if you are done with the testing with the sandbox mode, you can just make it uncomment the script to make the payment live. That's it. For now I'm going to test, so I have enabled the sandbox mode. Now let's back to our form. This is the SURL. If, when you will submit, your form will be submitted on this form, and we have called this function, and this function in which we are passing just a file name where form should submit. So my file name is response.php. Let's check for this file, and I'm just going to copy this file response.php under my project. That's it. Now let's go to form back. This is a merchant key and merchant sort. This we can get from our PayUMoney account. Let's see where it is. I am logged in on my PayUMoney account, so you can find the keys from here, and click on the credential, and here it is merchant key and merchant salt. I'm just copy this merchant key, merchant salt, and that's it. Now we can test the payment. You can see the form is open for the payment, and since I'm using sandbox mode, so here you can get the test card details. Here you can see test card details, and this is card type, card name, card number, expiry date, CVV, OTP, master card detail. So let's, and the OTP was 123456. Pay. Okay, I didn't added the salt key in response.php. That's why the payment doesn't get verified. Is a hash. This is our hash. It is not verified just because I missed the merchant salt. So let's add it again, and let's test the payment again. This is my response.php, and in this So now you can see, uh, after adding the correct hash, and my hash is verified, and the transaction is successful. So for the successful transaction, your hash should be verified. If hash isn't verified, your payment is not verified. So help, or if you have any query, please write down the comment. I will definitely answer you. And thank you.